What's up, guys? It's me, Funtime Gaming, and today, not really, actually, kind of yes, but today I'm gonna be doing one of Dream's boat clutches, with the lava. But there's also one other thing that I can do that I didn't think I actually could do. But, I know one thing's for sure, though. I know I haven't really been posting. It's because I've been busy, very busy, and you guys may think that I'm just not posting because I just don't feel like it, but no. It's because I'm just busy, very busy, because I have band camp and all that stuff. And not a lot of you guys are subscribed, because not a lot of you guys are subscribed. The ones that, I don't know how to say this, but I recently just got YouTube Studios. Yes. And there's a good percentage of you that is not subscribed that are watching right now. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, or else I'm gonna be suffocating in this lava. Okay, I live from the dead, but Dreams boat clutch, just the original yam bam bam. That not really, but yeah, this I can't really do it that well, but he's never done this before. Place the boat, make sure it doesn't burn, and run up. I keep failing sometimes, but I will be able to get it. Okay, why is this not working? I showed it to my dad earlier. I couldn't do it, but then I made it. But now I can't do it whenever I'm recording. Why is that possible? Why? Just why? Of course that's gonna sink. Do this. Bam, 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 bam. I spam boats beside me. Look how many boats are just going. Oh, wow, that's actually kind of satisfying. You know, guys, I'll probably do another video like this, but with a satisfying in the same world. I don't know why it's not working. I can do this. I know I can do this. I don't know why it's not working, guys. So, let's just do this, and run on the boats. Okay. Why does this not want to work for me? Especially whenever I'm recording. I know, guys, I'll just pretend like I'm not recording. Yeah, that would be good. Almost had it. Oops, I'm not doing my thing. I'm doing Dreams. Okay, let's just do this. Oh, I'm a burning boat. That's not good. There we go. No! I almost did that. Okay, I'm good. Are you serious? So many boats. Okay, let's go, man. Let's go. I did it. What? What in the world? You know what, guys? I give up. I've tried maybe about 20 times, and as you guys see, I am failing. I did make it to like here while doing it, like about here while doing it, but that's the best that I could do. There's just boats everywhere at this point. You know what? Let's do it one more time. If I don't get it this time, make sure to like, subscribe, turn the bell on all notifications, and I hope you guys do have a great day. But I might show you the world that I'm in. You guys may think that this is custom, but it really isn't, because I literally have a whole chest up there, a whole devil chest with all the stuff, because I had to clear my inventory for this. I just needed one boat. I decided to go in creative mode. I'm not gonna go to any of the other tabs of this because it has the stuff. You don't see a thing. You don't see a thing up there. You don't see a thing on my head. Now let's try it one more time. Wait, I gotta stick for a minute. I need to sneeze. Okay, I'm good. Oh, you see? Oh, everybody. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No, I'm going one more time. That absolutely sucked. I need to jump from the boat. That's what it is. Not fly. Oh my gosh. No, I got an idea. What am I using the boat for again now? Usually I'm just going like this. This is absolutely nothing to me. Forget about that. Let's go. I just did it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn the bell on all notifications for more stuff like that. Now I gotta go get my nether portal and show you guys the stuff. You know what? Just do this. Why did I do this? There's that. Just do this. There we go. Now let's just do this. And B. There's that. And then we have these 5 boats. I just go in now. Oh. Oh my gosh. YouTube. I'm gonna shoot these real quick. Actually, forget about it. So you guys got some of this. Lucky apple. Let's just grab my stuff back. Bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. That stuff was in my hotbar. There was one more thing in my hotbar, and it was this. Now let's just put the rest of this stuff in my inventory. And bam. There we go. This chest can now die. Ding. Okay, I think I might have just lost my nether portal. Wait, I think I put it in chat. Didn't I? Nope. Oh yeah. As you guys see, I just said that. I just whenever I first did that. Okay, I went through this place. I know I did. You know what, guys? Let me just do this real quick. As you can see, at first I was in survival. Let me just, you guys don't see a thing. You guys did not see a thing. You got that? You saw nothing. Now let me just do this. A bam, bam, bam. Bam. A bam, bam. Bam, bam. You know what? We're gonna make this a long. It's gonna be a big. It's gonna be a tall. It's gonna be a tall portal. Now let's just do this. Again, you guys saw nothing. Again, there's something here in this that has most of them, but I'm not showing it. But I'll show you guys in a minute. Now, light. There we go. It lit. But yeah, there we go. Get rid of this because I don't need that. I am somewhere completely different. This is not where my usual spawn is. Let me just do something real quick. Survival. Now let's just do this. There we go. Now I'm back at spawn. Don't worry, guys. It's just gonna be chaotic. Nothing too bad. You see, it's just chaotic. Nothing too bad. Yoing. Oof. You know, I'm gonna do this. Boing. Let's go. I'm not Mario. Never mind. But yeah, this is the world that I'm in. It's a Lucky Block world. Oh my gosh. Should I go down there, guys? I'm gonna go down there. Wow, this is nice, except now I'm stuck. Pickaxe, what's below here? What's below here? Oh. It's just bedrock. Wait a minute. Is this what's under this? Stone? What? Okay, now I just need to figure out a way back up. Okay, you know what I'm gonna build with this? I should be able to get back up with this. Just kidding. I only have one left. Good thing I have this. You know, let's just break that. Then break that. Dude. You want me to help? There you go. Now come after me. Dude, come here. Dude. Let me just do this. Now you're gonna go flowing out. There you go, buddy. You gonna start flowing down? No, dude. Dude, get out there. You need to get out there. So, dude. Oh my gosh. Don't make me use this. Don't make me use my astral axe. This thing does damage. Does 20 attack damage. Since I mean, then again, I have sharpness 2 on it, but yeah. You know, I'm just collecting my water back. Hey, buddy, you just push you off real quick. Goodbye. Goodbye, sir. That's right, you're gonna go that way. Bam, bam, get wrecked, buddy. So yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn the bell on all notifications. Okay, dude. Thank you. Goodbye. Go deal with that skeleton down there that I am not dealing with. There we go. They have their own problems. I don't want to be a part of their problems. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, turn the bell on notifications. And if you don't, I probably won't make it out of this hole because you didn't subscribe, and I just want to stay down here because you guys didn't subscribe. But yeah, most of you guys aren't subscribed. I'll show you guys in a minute. Let me just bridge all the way up here real quick. And what happened? There was a block above me, and that not only that, it's a lucky block. So yeah, guys. Now I'll show you guys real quick. I'll see you guys in YouTube Studios. So yeah, guys, see, there it is. 18.0% of you guys are subscribed that are watching, but 82.0% of you guys that aren't 82% of you guys that are watching are not subscribed. So make sure to subscribe so we can flip this around, guys, to make the subscribe level 82.0 and not subscribe level to 18.0. So subscribe, make sure to turn the bell on notifications, and let's flip that around, shall we? Make sure to like and subscribe, turn the bell on notifications. I've said that like I don't know how many times in this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!